distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ghanaians, Bonsori. It is both a great honor and a privilege to stand before you today as we come together to celebrate our shared heritage, our achievements, and the bond that unites us all. I would like to sincerely thank the Ghanaian Community Group in Geneva for extending this kind invitation to us. As the CEO of WeShopAfrica.com, I've seen firsthand the incredible potential that lies within Africa. Our mission has always been clear: to empower the African entrepreneur and connect them with the global marketplace. Through WeShopAfrica, we are not just showcasing products, we are celebrating talent, creativity, and ingenuity of our people. We are building a platform that offers high-quality African-made goods to the world, ensuring that our culture, craftsmanship shine brightly on the global stage. Tonight, as we gather in Thanksgiving, I am reminded of the powerful spirit that defines us as Ghanaians and Africans, whether in business, education, community building. It is this spirit that fuels innovation, progress, and unity. It is a spirit that we must continue to nurture and support through initiatives like WeShopAfrica, which is committed to connecting African businesses with global consumers like you. Ghana has always been a beacon of progress, and our community here in Geneva is a testament to the strength of our people. However, as we celebrate tonight, we must remember that our success is directly tied to how we support each other. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways we can do this is by shopping from African businesses and supporting platforms like WeShopAfrica. By shopping on WeShopAfrica.com, you not only access unique, high-quality products that reflect our culture and craftsmanship, but you also play a key role in empowering African entrepreneurs, boosting our economy as Ghanaians, contributing to a brighter future for Africa, and helping a woman-owned business. Every purchase is a step towards strengthening our businesses, creating jobs, and advancing the prosperity of our continent. As a diasporan in the Western world, you are open to numerous ideas, innovations, opportunities, which can be replicated in Africa. And as a Ghanaian, you can also invest and start a business in Ghana and sell on WeShopAfrica, because you can easily track your sales and payments everywhere in the world. We span over 25 different categories, from automobile, fashion, furniture, art and crafts, stationery, agriculture, luggage, and we also have a wholesale section giving you a wide range of options. All our vendors are of high-end brands selling on WeShopAfrica.com, which demystifies the notion that products from Africa are of inferior quality. We urge you to download our app on App Store and Play Store, and to enjoy seamless shopping experience and transactions, or scan our QR code, which will show at the end of this speech. As we enjoy this evening, let's reflect on the opportunities we have to continue pushing forward, to support our community, and to uplift African businesses, and to create a more connected world. Let's commit to making conscious choices that contribute to our collective success. And I encourage all of you to explore WeShopAfrica.com and see the incredible range of products we have available. Your support means everything to us, and together we can make even a greater impact. Thank you once again for your commitment to the Ghanaian community in Geneva. It is this spirit of unity and determination that will continue to drive us forward. Let us enjoy tonight's festivities. And as we do, let us remember that the possibilities for growth, success, and progress are endless when we stand together. Good evening. I'm Samuela, the CEO of WeShopAfrica.com. Thank you.
Crafted with love and care, treasures beyond compare. worlds to share everywhere. WeShopAfrica, if you dare. Shop for dreams and tales across our lands and trails. Support artisan sales. Together our spirit prevails.